Is your PS5 controller dying in the middle of a boss fight? It is incredibly frustrating when that low battery warning pops up after only 2 hours. Don't worry, I am going to show you how to double your playtime right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you get back into the game without the charging cable. The DualSense is packed with advanced tech like haptic motors and built-in speakers. These features are amazing for immersion, but they are absolute battery killers if they are not optimized. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Lower the brightness of your controller indicators. Navigate to your controller settings and set the brightness to dim. This saves a surprising amount of juice without affecting your gameplay. Step 2. Turn off the controller speaker. Most of that audio comes through your headset or TV anyway. Muting the controller speaker prevents the internal driver from draining power constantly. Step 3. Reduce haptic feedback intensity. Go to your accessories settings and switch this from strong to medium or weak. You will still feel the rumble, but your battery will thank you. Step 4. Adjust trigger effect intensity. Those adaptive triggers use tiny motors that eat battery life. Lowering the tension significantly extends your session time. Step 5. Set your controller to turn off automatically. Change this setting to 10 minutes of inactivity. This prevents the battery from draining if you step away to grab a snack or take a call. Step 6. Disable the built-in microphone. The DualSense microphone is active by default and consumes power to stay on standby. Set the mic status to mute when logged in to save energy. Step 7. Use a high-quality USB-C cable for charging. Cheap cables often fail to provide a full or fast charge. Stick to the original cable or a certified high-speed replacement. Step 8. Check your rest mode settings. Ensure your USB ports are set to supply power for 3 hours in rest mode. This ensures your controller actually reaches 100% while you are away. Step 9. Update your controller software. Plug your DualSense into the console and check for updates in the accessories menu. Sony frequently releases firmware patches that optimize power consumption. Step 10. Perform a hard reset. Use a small pin to press the reset button inside the tiny hole on the back of the controller for 5 seconds. This clears any software glitches causing rapid drain. Here's a pro tip for the power users. If you play close to your console, change the communication method from Bluetooth to USB cable in the settings. This stops the wireless radio from using any power at all. If you are still having trouble with your battery life, drop a comment below. I check those constantly, and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this helped you stay in the game, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are all set to play longer and better. I will see you in the next one.